गोदरेज इंडस्ट्रीज अब कार फ्रेशनर के कारोबार में जोर शोर से उतर गई है। गोदरेज के नए प्रोडक्ट की जिम्मेदारी आदि गोदरेज की बेटी नीसा पर है। उनके मुताबिक अभी कार फ्रेशनर का बाजार 300 करोड़ रुपए का है, लेकिन आगे चलकर इसमें काफी बढ़ोतरी की गुंजाइश है। हमारी संवाददाता रूपश्री नायर ने नीसा से बात की।
क्या नया है इन प्रोडक्ट्स में आपके कॉम्पिटिटर्स से अगर हम कंपेयर करें, क्या इसमें डिफरेंट है एयर प्रोडक्ट में एज कम्पेयर टू योर कॉम्पिटिटर?
So the way we approached air was, we said that we want great fragrances because that's the main thing when you have an air fragrance brand, but we also want delightful design and very simple to use. So let me just show you. Can I put this down? So this is called Click. And basically it has two functions which are great. One is that you can just open it, you put the bottle in and you close it. So there's no chance, especially on our rocky roads in India, of the bottle ever falling out and spoiling anything. The other thing is it's just really simple to use. You click it on and you click it off. So when you want the fragrance, you have it on. When you want it off, you have it off. Another product which is also for cars but can also be used in sort of small spaces is this product called Twist. And basically you can either stick it on a dashboard or anywhere in your car, or you can also put it in the cup holder and you just sort of twist it on and off. The fragrances are fantastic. Consumer feedback and research has been fantastic. So we really think that people will really enjoy the product. We have one more product that we've launched right now, which is a spray can. A couple of things besides the great fragrances is one is that you don't have to make the effort of taking the cap off. You just spray here, it's thing. And if you ever want to hang the product, you can do that too.
क्या प्राइसिंग है इन प्रोडक्ट्स की, कितनी वैलिडिटी है, कितने दिन ये प्रोडक्ट चलेंगे एक बार लेने के बाद, और क्या इनकी प्राइसिंग?
So the pricing of the Click of this product is $225 and it lasts for 60 days. This is 300 rupees and this also lasts for 60 days. And the spray is at 110 rupees.